Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I know it's been long, but here I'm back. So today, I'm gonna be showing you guys on how I bleach and air color my black wig. Yeah, this particular wig, I had to put it in, spice it up for autumn, fall season. So here are the stuff I use. I have the bleach powder, I have the cream peroxide, mixed it together in a bowl. I have the volume 30 and the volume 40 volume. So I mix both in different bowl, and I have to put on my glove so I don't get, my skin or my fingers get damaged. So here I put the wig, I put them in sections so it will be easy for me to apply the bleach. So just watch the video and see how that is done. So after sectioning the wig, I then take each section, start applying the bleach. I just had to mix the both 30 volume and 40 volume. I just keep applying it randomly, just keep doing it on the wig. I started from the back actually, so I just keep running it through. I had to use my brush as well, so the brush would help it, make the bleach sit well and make it circulate more. So I just keep mixing both colors. You could even see that the colors are already coming out, like it's already lifting. So, and then I use a foil paper to wrap it up, and this is it. So I waited for about 20 minutes before I came to wash it and rinse it out with my shampoo and all that. So now after rinsing it with shampoo, I just towel dry it. So I'm gonna be using the other hair color in CanJunSpice and Cinnamon. So these two hair color, I'm gonna mix them together and apply it on the wig. So just that way, I just mix both color. I just put it on the wig and I use my finger to circulate it, make it all sit in the wig, and just that. And after that I put it in a black bag. So the black bag, from there I had to take it to the microwave and microwave it for about 15 minutes. So here is it. After that I'm just gonna rinse it out. We rinse it out and use shampoo on it as well. Wash out all excess colors. And this is my conditioner. This conditioner is actually good for revamping hair, especially when you bleach your hair. I also like to use oil, probably olive oil, castor oil, whatever. But don't worry, I'm gonna drop all the items or names of the products I use. I'm gonna drop it in the description box. So I just keep rinsing it, washing it, and here's it. So I'm just gonna leave it alone, let it dry. Yeah, I use a YCOK. This is just bring out the curls, define the curls more. So after that I'll leave it for a while so it can hair dry, and then I'll show you guys how this hair all came out. So yeah, it is. Check it out. Ready, and that's it. So this is the wig, the color I want to use all throughout the fall season. So guys, tell me whatever colors, whatever wig, whatever, I don't know, colors or color, I don't know which one, because my own wig actually said I have about 3 colors in the wig. So I just want to know the colors you guys are looking for this. So thank you.